This 2021 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern 337BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Dutchman is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 9, slideout, air conditioning, skylight, oven, Colorado detector, auxiliary battery, microwave, DVD player, leveling jacks, external shower, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Dutchmen Coleman Lantern 337BH is 8,481 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.